Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can add a music bot to your Discord server. So make sure to watch the video till the very end, and let's begin. First of all, go to the server which you wish to go and add the music bot to. To do this, you will need to either be the owner of the server or have the relevant permissions. Then go to the top left and click on the server name and go and click on server settings. Then go down to apps and click on app directory. And what you want to do is go and search for a bot or an app called Greenbot. And here it is here, go and click on it and click on add app. You then need to choose the server you wish to add it to. It's already got it selected and I'll then press continue. You need to agree to all of this stuff here and then press authorize. If you're sure, you may have to do a captcha as well. After you've added it, it will say success and you can press close. And you can then come out of the app directory and just back to your server. So Greenbot allows you to do a lot of different things, one of them being playing music. Go and join the voice channel. And then in the text channel, you need to go and type in the command that is /play, and then we can go and select it. And then you need to type in the song you wish to go and play. Let's say I wanted God's Plan by Drake. I'll go and search for that and it'll say thinking. And then as you can see, it's now playing. It's that simple. And if you wish to add more music to the queue, then type in /play again and type in another song you would like as well, and it will then be added. So that's basically how you can add a music bot to your Discord server. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.